to Lazy K Farmstead, and today we are making pull-apart bread.
Yes, we are. We're going to do it a little bit different than we did pull-apart bread last time. This time we're using cinnamon rolls. We're going to add brown sugar, pecans, and we're going to layer those. Doesn't that sound good?
Yeah, and
all right. And butter. All right, so the first thing you need to do is put some of the butter in the bottom of the pan, and I'll start getting these open. Squirt a pretty good amount in it. That's perfect right there. Okay, now you're going to put 1 bowl of brown sugar, sprinkle it all around. Great job. All right, now you're going to do the same thing with 1 bowl of pecans. Out. We're going to save our little icing packet for later.
Yes,
all right, I'm going to cut these into 4s just like we did when we made it with biscuits. And you are going to lay those around in the bottom. Start spreading them out.
And one rule is always before you cook, always make sure your hands are clean.
Exactly, which we did.
Yes. We did it different ways. I used sanitizer, she used normal wash.
Yeah, there you go. You spread them out as I get them cut up. And we're going to do 1 can, and then we'll put another layer of brown sugar and pecans, and then we'll put the other layer.
Are we going to do another layer of butter?
Yes, we'll put some butter in at the same time. And it'll be ooey and gooey and yummy.
And able to pull apart.
Yes.
It's pull apart bread for a reason.
That's right.
Basically monkey bread.
Exactly.
Beep, beep, beep.
So are you excited for the holidays?
Trust me, yes.
Yes.
Is it?
You think Santa's going to be good to you this year?
I always get good stuff.
Have you been a good girl this year? Or were there things that you had to explain?
I've been a good girl.
Hmm.
Hey, better than last year and the year before and all the years before.
Well, I'm glad of that. What are you most looking forward to?
In a couple of days, Thanksgiving, to hang out with you.
Oh, aren't you sweet? And all the cousins are coming.
Yeah.
Won't that be fun?
It's going to be one of the best Thanksgiving days, like always.
It is. Okay, you ready? All right. More butter.
There it goes. Close that a little too tight earlier. Gotta spread around the beautiful, beautiful butter.
Uh-oh. They're running away on us.
But don't add too much of anything. Don't add too much of anything.
It's got to be just right. Okay, there you go. Oh, we need to put brown sugar and pecans before we start putting more of the cinnamon rolls.
Don't know why you had to spit that way.
Yeah, just what you might need it, but if you don't, you don't.
Don't, you don't.
Okay.
Don't, you don't. Always be prepared. That's another big rule of cooking.
Yes, it is.
Always. Like the Nutella we made. We prepared our taste buds for that.
We did. It was pretty bad no matter how much we prepared our taste buds.
Yeah.
We tried to make homemade Nutella.
Yeah.
Did not turn out well. We're going to keep working on that.
We're looking for more recipes.
We are.
So if you have any, just please let us know.
Please let us know.
Just comment the recipes and we'll be good.
Yeah.
But make sure they work first.
Our other was very gritty. Very bitter. It wasn't sweet at all.
They never told us it worked.
Ugh, that one didn't work.
Never said it
But
would.
we tried.
So please,
Let us
make
know
sure,
if you know how to make it.
and please make sure it works before you can give it to us.
We don't want to be disappointed again.
We've sacrificed our taste buds enough. It's just a little journey and a little competition that one of my cousins have with me.
That's right. She challenged us.
Just a little challenge won't hurt.
Good. All right. Another round of butter.
And then we'll be good.
And then we're ready for the oven.
I hate
We'll get it.
my hands are greasy.
There we go.
Come on.
Check it a little bit. There we go.
Come on. Yes. Yes.
Okay. Perfect.
And there.
All right. Into the oven
Yes. If you
for
have ice,
probably 45 minutes. And then we'll drizzle some icing on it.
if you have that stuff with the icing, then use it if you want. You don't have to use
You
it.
don't have to.
You
All
can
right,
save that for another thing.
Yes. We ready for the oven?
Yeah.
Let's do it. It's been 30 minutes.
It's been 30 minutes.
So it's time to get it out.
So it's time to get it out.
All right.
At least we think it's ready.
We do. Sure looks ready.
It smells ready. I wish y'all could smell it. I wish y'all.
It smells amazing, doesn't it?
Yeah, I wish y'all could smell it. It smells the best. Susie? Should I go ahead and open up the ice?
No, hang on. Let's turn it over first. Okay. All right. So I'm going to put this on the top, and I'm going to pick it up, and then you move those hot pads right here, okay? Watch your fingers. Very hot. Very good. Ready? Woohoo!
The thing feels hot.
Okay, you ready?
Yes,
Think it came out?
hopefully. Oh,
Look at that.
that looks
Didn't
delicious.
stick at all.
That looks delicious.
Delicious, doesn't it?
Because you cooked it, because you coated it in cooking oil.
Yep. All right, now let's pour that over, and it'll all melt in. Okay. Oh. Doesn't that look fantastic?
That smells fantastic.
Drizzle it back and forth. It'll all melt down in there.
We gotta let this cool before we eat it.
We do, because it's very hot. All right. Now, we're going to wait a few minutes so we don't burn our tongues. Right. High five.
It's a burning hazard for our tongues.
That's right. All right, so 10 minutes, and we'll give it a try.
Okay.
Are you ready to try it? You going to scoop it up for us? All right, let's see what we got
We
here.
got us some milk in our fancy
We did.
glasses.
Milk in our fancy glasses.
Turns out she doesn't have any Christmas stuff. Napkins,
I
but
don't
she
have
has
any Christmas napkins.
every kind of thing.
I know.
Any kind of napkin. Except Christmas.
Except Christmas. We're going to have to get some.
For
Look
Christmas.
at that.
Oh, that looks delicious.
It is definitely falling apart, isn't it?
It's pulled apart by fairies.
Look at that. You can have that piece. There's your fork. Well, what do you think? How is it?
Good.
Is it awesome?
Mm-hmm.
Is it sweet enough?
Mm-hmm.
Mmm.
I think we did a good job this year.
I think we did too. I think we need to make this again sometime.
Mm-hmm.
Cheers. Thanks for watching. See you next time.
Bye.